Hey everyone, welcome back to It's English Ocean. So in today's lesson, I'll be telling you 75 very replacements. What I mean to say is, let's discuss. I know a lot of you use very happy, very sad, very boring, very interesting, etc. again and again in a conversation or writing skills. But this very word is now boring, and according to me, you must use some advanced adjectives instead of these. If you use these adjectives, these upgraded adjectives, your vocabulary will be boosted up, and your quality of the conversation and quality of your content, of the content you're writing down in your notebooks, the articles you're writing, the essays you're writing, will be more advanced. So according to me, you must skip using very now, and you must learn these 75 adjectives. So grab your notebooks, because according to me, if you have maintained a vocabulary notebook, as I've told in my earlier video, in which I've discussed 5 tips to improve vocabulary, I've told you to maintain a vocabulary notebook. So if you have maintained a vocabulary notebook, if you haven't, just maintain, because that's necessary, and that's one of the best and most important, parts to improve your vocabulary and English. So jot all of these 75 adjectives in them. And now after this lesson, your vocabulary will be polished up. So now, the quote of the day is, it isn't what we say or think that define us, but what we do. It isn't what we say or think that define us, but what we do. I've written this quote back there in the background. Let's find it out. Now let's jump into the lesson. So, on number 1, the word is frivolous. Frivolous means very silly, very small, or very unimportant. Number 2 word is jittery. Jittery means very nervous or very worried. So instead of very silly, very small, very unimportant, say frivolous. And instead of very nervous, very worried, say jittery. Number 3 word is obnoxious. Obnoxious means very annoying or very unpleasant, or it's not very good. So instead of very annoying, something is very annoying, say obnoxious. It's obnoxious. Number 4, the word is sluggish. Sluggish. So instead of saying sluggish, you can say, the means of sluggish is very slow. So instead of very slow, you can say that person is very slow. Don't say this, say the person is sluggish. Sluggish. Actually, I should have written sluggish in pink, but by mistake I've written very slow in pink, so that's my mistake, I'm sorry. Number 5th word is excruciating. Excruciating means very painful. Very painful. Number 6th word is swamped. Swamped means very busy. If you are swamped, it means you are very busy. Number 7th is destitute. Destitute means very poor. Someone is very poor, that person is destitute. That person is a destitute. Next word is deafening. Deafening means very noisy. Let's say the classroom is very noisy. The classroom is deafening. The next word is famished. Famished means very hungry. If you are very hungry, you are famished. Next word is vibrant. Vibrant. It means very colorful. If something is very colorful, that thing is vibrant. Number 11, we have miraculous. Miraculous means very fortunate. Someone or something is very fortunate, it is miraculous. Number 12, we have perplexed. Perplexed. Perplexed means very confused or very puzzled. If someone is very confused or very puzzled, that person is perplexed. Number 13, we have perilous. Perilous means very dangerous. If something is very dangerous, it's perilous. The dangerous storm, the perilous storm. The next one is my favorite. It is jubilant. Jubilant, or it means very happy. Someone is very happy, that person is jubilant. Number 15th, we have bizarre. Bizarre. If something is bizarre, it's very strange. That person is bizarre. That particular event was bizarre. Number 16th is also my favorite. It's exquisite. Exquisite means very beautiful. That lady is exquisite. The palace was exquisite. Number 17th, we have thrilled. Thrilled is a bit more common word, but it means very excited. Very excited. I am very excited. I was very excited when I went to the roller coaster. I was thrilled when I went to the roller coaster. Next we have indolent. Indolent is very lazy. Indolent. Very lazy. Next we have stupendous. Stupendous. It means very impressive. Something is very impressive. It is stupendous. Number 20 we have ravishing. Ravishing means very beautiful. Very beautiful. 21st we have exhilarating. Exhilarating. Something it's exhilarating, it's very exciting. It's very exciting. Not exciting, it's exciting. Next one we have considerate. Considerate. If someone is considerate, that person is very kind. Next one we have bustling. Bustling. The street was bustling. That was very crowded. Precious. Very valuable. Very valuable. Precious. Spotless. Very clean. Spotless. Very clean. Finite. Very limited. Finite. Very limited. Carefree. Very jolly. Carefree. Very jolly. Next word is courteous. Courteous. The R is a kind of silent over here in a British pronunciation. So the person is courteous, it is very humble. 29th word is serene. Serene means very calm. Now we'll be going with two words. So number 30 is desolate. Desolate means very empty. Petrified. Petrified means very scared. Desolate, petrified. Wealthy, very rich. Wealthy, very rich. Ancient, very old. Ancient, very old. Basic, very simple. Basic, very simple. Desperate, very different. Desperate, very different. Oops, I'm sorry, I just realized that I pronounced this word. It's disparate, not desperate. That is D-A-S, des. But this is D-I-S, so it's disparate. Next we have lethargic. Lethargic means very sleepy, very slow, very dull, very lazy. So for all these words, we have one single word, lethargic. Frequently. Frequently. It's very often. Frequently. Pungent. Pungent, very smelly. Next, obese. Obese, very fat. Terrified, very afraid. Terrified, very afraid. Pouring, very rainy. Pouring. Awful. Awful, very bad. Expensive. Expansive, very wide. Amiable, very friendly. Amiable, it's my favorite word, very friendly. Slovenly, very dirty or very messy. Slovenly, it's a beautiful word. Very dirty or very messy. Flawless, very perfect. Flawless, very perfect. Hushed, very quiet. Hushed, very quiet. Gleaming, very shiny. Gleaming, very shiny. Brief. Brief, very short. Adorable. Adorable, very cute. Innovative. Innovative, very creative. Cautious, very careful. Cautious. Parched, very thirsty. Parched. Blustery, very windy. Blustery, very windy. Distraught, very upset. Distraught, very upset. Tedious, very boring, very dull, very uninteresting. Tedious. Immaculate, very neat. Immaculate. Exhausted, very tired. Exhausted, very tired. Wicked, very evil. Wicked, very evil. Luscious, very tasty. Luscious. Archaic, very old or old-fashioned. So the pronunciation for archaic was a bit difficult. Now the next one is sleek, very smooth, sleek. Apprehensive, very nervous. Meticulous, very careful or detailed. Meticulous. Furious, very angry. Hideous, very ugly. Very ugly. Towering, very tall. Luminous, very bright, luminous. Idiotic, very stupid. Very stupid. Essential, very necessary. Essential. Extensive, very long. Extensive. Crucial, very important. Colossal, very large. Captivating, very interesting. Brilliant, very intelligent. So with these we have completed the 75 difficult adjectives and the replacements of very. I hope you have learned and improved a lot of your vocabulary from this advanced vocabulary lesson. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the like button. Thanks for watching.